The power electronics training packages from Festo Didactic provide the necessary training equipment to study and engage in hands-on experiments in the fields of DC power electronics, single-phase and three-phase AC power electronics, thyristor power electronics, DC and AC motor drives, as well as three-phase motor starters. Complete courses are available to speed up lesson planning and guide students during lab sessions. They feature the necessary theory as well as step-by-step learning exercises. Courses are available on the Festo LX portal or as PDF workbooks. Several training packages are available depending on the depth of topic coverage you need. Let's have a look at the key training modules related to these packages. Students have the option of using a 48-volt battery pack as a source of fixed DC power, or our versatile dynamometer and power supply module configured as a DC power supply. In this mode, the unit can act as a variable DC voltage source up to 150 volts, or as a current source of up to 5 amps. The IGBT chopper inverter module provides 6 transistors that can be used in various combinations. For example, a single transistor to implement a buck chopper, 2 to realize a buck boost chopper, 4 of them to implement an H-bridge, or 6 to create a 3-phase bridge. A dumping transistor prevents overvoltage on the DC bus. The module is fully protected against overheat, overvoltage, and overcurrent conditions. Each gate can be accessed independently to feed the triggering signal from an external source and observe it on an oscilloscope. The switching frequency of the transistors can be varied between 400 Hz and 20 kHz. This wide frequency band can be cleanly filtered with a variety of filtering inductors and capacitors. To make measurements easy to perform and understand, students use the data acquisition module that offers 4 voltage and 4 current inputs, all optically isolated. The same module provides 8 low-voltage inputs to observe the transistor firing signals, amongst other things. These firing signals are sent from the data acquisition and control module to the IGBT module through a simple connection. The LVDAC EMS software then lets the students take control of the transistors by setting such parameters as their duty cycle, the switching frequency, and the acceleration and deceleration time. The configuration of the whole module can also be set by selecting a single entry in a long list of predefined functions, like buck chopper or 4-quadrant chopper. The freshly acquired knowledge of power electronics is then applied to 3 different types of DC motor drives: buck chopper, buck boost chopper, and 4-quadrant chopper drives. Students will even build a drive with speed and current feedback. In all these experiments, the driven motor will have its speed or torque controlled with the help of our 4-quadrant dynamometer. Combining the IGBTs with rectifiers, filtering capacitors, and transformers, students will then study power diode single-phase and 3-phase rectifiers, as well as single-phase and 3-phase PWM inverters. Moving to the study of thyristors, they will learn how SCRs differ from transistors and how they can be used to perform single-phase and 3-phase AC power control, as well as implement 3-phase rectifier inverters and solid-state relays. The power thyristor module, also controlled from LVDAC EMS, provides 6 thyristors that can be quickly linked together to create different configurations. Students finish their study of power electronics with direct online starters, soft starters, and 3-phase variable frequency induction motor drives, with and without constant V/F ratio. The power electronics training packages from Festo Didactic expose students to real power signals and full observation and control of all relevant parameters. Thanks to their modular design, the training packages can be easily combined with other packages or expanded with individual modules to cover topics in basic electric power technology, electrical machines, and renewable energy. It is a cost-effective solution that adapts to evolving training needs and budgets.